Now, for everyone using the platform APIs, the modern developer experience makes it quick and easy to get started. And to demonstrate this, I'd like to invite Dan, Senior Consulting Engineer, to join me. And we're going to do something a little different. We're going to do some live vibe coding. Oh. OK, right, so our goal today is to leverage one of the most important new platform APIs called the Device Inventory API to build a simple device health report that will be delivered via Jamf. We have already set up a basic Slack bot named Dexter. Should we show the code? Now, Dexter doesn't do much at the moment other than say hello, but we're going to change this. Dan, please navigate to developer.jamf.com. This is our developer portal, the place to get started when building on Jamf. In the new Platform API section, you'll find full API specs, quick start recipes, and for those who choose to, even a guide to building with AI on Jamf. Now, we're going to be using Claude Code today, but of course, you can select any of the popular AI development tools if you wish. OK, Dan, time to move across to Jamf Account. Now, in Jamf Account, in the new API client section, which you'll find in the left-hand nav, you find centralized access and permissions management for APIs. Now, this is all built on our new API Gateway and the OAuth 2 client credentials workflow, which means strong security and a smooth developer experience. To avoid sharing the credentials on the screen for today's demo, we've already created our client credentials and loaded them into our project. OK, Dan, now's the time. I think we're ready for our vibe coding. Please, can you use Claude to update Dex to fetch information from the Device Inventory API and use it to display a simple device health report which highlights battery health and security alert issues. Now, whilst Dan gets to work, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about the Device Inventory API. The design is based on specific feedback we heard from our customers asking us to make it easier to work with device metadata from across the platform. Before now, working with information like that would require making multiple separate requests to different product-centric APIs, each with their own device identifiers and data structures. The Device Inventory API removes this complexity by providing a single, consistent set of endpoints, allowing you to work with metadata from across both security and management capabilities. OK. We get thumbs up. Yes? OK, right, fine. So, Dan, please can you please can you restart the Slack bot? And then navigate back to Slack. Should be fine. If you navigate back to Slack now, and oh, there we go. Perfect. We're just going to roll with this because it's almost there. OK. There we go. Right, let's navigate back to Slack, Dan. You can tell this is live. This is the real deal. And let's ask for our latest device health report. And we'll give it another heart-stopping moment just to spin up as we wait for the various things to get going. And there we go. Fantastic, Dan. Woo! Yes. OK, right. So the use case there was relatively simple. But the developer experience you saw is the perfect springboard for your own ideas. And to that end, we have other new APIs for you to build on too.